Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add kernel in Jupyter Notebook Easy Guide. So for us to be able to begin, just head onto your Visual Studio Code onto your device. So if you're working with multiple Python environments, you can add different kernels to Jupyter Notebook. So here's a simple guide to help you do this. So before adding a kernel, you need to have Jupyter Notebook installed. To do so, just open your terminal or command prompt and type this following line. So we're going to go ahead and open terminal here onto the upper part, click onto new terminal, and you should be able to go ahead and choose first the location for that. Right after, we're going to use this line of code and click onto enter. So this will go ahead and install Notebook onto your device. Right after that one is already installed, IPY kernel is required to add different kernels to your Jupyter Notebook. So this is the following command in your terminal that you need to write to go ahead and install that one. So just copy this one out and paste it, and then right after, just wait for that one to be installed. Now to add a new kernel, it's best to create a virtual environment where your kernel will live. So to create a new one, you'll just need to go ahead and navigate to your folder where you want to create the environment and run the specific code. So you'll just need to go ahead and replace my env in here or my environment with your desired environment name. Click onto enter. And then right after, you'll just need to go ahead and type in this following line in here to go ahead and activate the virtual environment onto your device. Now, since your environment has been created already, what you need to do in here is to add it as a new kernel to Jupyter Notebook. So you'll just need to install IPY kernel inside the virtual environment. So you'll just need to go ahead and try to type in again this specific line. Click onto enter, and you'll just need to wait for this one to install this. Right after that one is installed, you'll just need to go ahead and add the environment to Jupyter Notebook as a new kernel. So you'll just need to go ahead and run this command to create a new kernel with a specific name. So just go ahead and paste the same thing in here, and then you'll just need to replace my env in here, which is this one, with your environment name, and the Python my env in here with the display name you'd like to see in Jupyter. So we're going to use that one. Click on to enter. You should have gone ahead and added the new kernel. Now you can use it already onto your Jupyter Notebook. You'll just have to go ahead and launch your Jupyter Notebook for that. And then right after, you'll just need to go ahead and select your new kernel. So just open any notebook or create a new one, go to the kernel in the menu, and then change the kernel. So you should see your new kernel in there, which is this one, the Python my env in the list. Then you'll just have to select it. And that is just basically it on how you have successfully added a new kernel to Jupyter Notebook from a virtual environment. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.